Just before we finish, I thought I'd just share with you this photo. It's taken at a woodworking show, and the demonstration going on here was with some tools made by a company called Lie-Nielsen, and these tools really are a notch above the rest. They are extremely good quality, and any tool bought from this firm you would take a great deal of pride in owning. The company is from the US and they really do make an exceptional range, especially the planes that you can see here, because I had a try with one of these and they really are sensational. You take a great deal of pride in owning these. Typically a plane like the smoothing plane on the bottom left here would be about £150, maybe $150, just guessing, but I could tell with the quality you're looking at that kind of price. Some tradesmen and craftspeople take owning tools to another degree, and they actually buy old tools and have them as collector's items. But the tools are also completely functional as well. And here you see a range of planes. And this picture could more or less show the evolution of planes. So if we start at the bottom right, you see a selection of 4 what are called moulding planes. And these were the original planes that came out, and these would be used for making skirting board, mouldings, dado rails, and if you notice the majority of the plane is made of wood, and the small part, the only part that's iron, is the actual cutter. So then if we move on clockwise, we come to the plane on the left, and this is where planes start to come in made of metal. And these are fabulous things to own. These are made of a combination of brass and rosewood. Rosewood now is protected by CITES, so it's not used on tools, it's not used on plane handles. Plane handles now are made from beech and then stained. So the next plane along again has got a solid brass or bronze base, and the cap iron too is brass. And when these are polished up, they absolutely look fabulous and they feel great to own. And then next along is the rebate plane. And then next along from that is another type of plane with a different setup. Very similar kind of thing. Instead of a wheel behind the cutter, the wheel is over the top of the handle. And then the last one on the right is a moulding plane. So that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have.